Hey Chronicles crew, hopefully we don't get in an accident doing this, but we are on our way to check out our first Kitsune van candidate in Connecticut. It's 6:48 in the morning, so we should get there around 1 o'clock. Hey guys, it's around 9:20. We're making good time. We are just outside of Albany, and the highway's mostly been dry after leaving rainy Rochester with a little bit of rain that we hit around the Rome exit. So we should get there around 12:30, which should be plenty of time to meet up with the salesman for our 1 o'clock appointment. Sun is out, sky is nice and blue. There are some nice big fluffy clouds ahead. Here we go. Here we are going to look at potential starting vehicle for Project Kitsune. We started off with a list of potential vehicles kind of close to us, but also willing to travel and see what was out there. The list of potential vehicles is kind of short between the Ford Transit 250 and 350s. First, we had found a 250 that was very basic in New Jersey, starting at just over $22,000, and we thought this is a great starting price. Unfortunately, when I talked to the dealer, they thought it was available, but apparently it had a deposit on it. So we started looking at the rest of the list. The rest of the vehicles were around $30,000 and up. We found this one in Connecticut, which has about 100,000 miles on it, and that's a little bit higher than we wanted. It's loaded with features. Weren't necessary, but definitely nice to have. So it has the Ford Copilot 360 system in there, which includes blind spot monitoring, a split rear and front view camera, and some other features that are more safety related, which is really cool. There were other vehicles available around that price range with different options, but I think for the value, this is the best choice. And the safety features are definitely nice to have for us making a long road trip anywhere. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the I might be getting this wrong, Assist Plus option, which includes things like adaptive cruise control, which again, it's nice to have. One thing that we'll have to probably get removed by the dealer is the speed limiter that's been programmed in for fleet vehicles. Not sure how much that's going to cost. Hopefully not much, because it's a reprogramming, but dealerships always charge a premium. And I'm wondering if it's something I could do myself with something like ForeScan or OBD2 tool that does more than scanning. Anyway, more to come. All right, so this is a 2020 Ford Transit 350 high roof with the long wheelbase, or 148 inches, all-wheel drive. So a nice thing is this one already has some all-terrain tires. The Goodyear Wrangler Workhorse ATs. They may not be as highly regarded as the Falcons or the BF Goodrich. They'll do for now. This definitely means I don't have to buy some new tires. I do like it has keypad on here so that we can get in if we lock ourselves out. Camera, sliding door. And somewhere around here is the camera for the split view, which I'm guessing is right there on the windshield. Passenger side, we got cup holder, side bins, seat. Not a lot of recline here though. We've got this bulkhead, could be modified, but not a pass-through, so we'd either have to remove it or find a way to convert this to some kind of a pass-through. Ensure the partition door is closed and latched prior to vehicle movement. Makes me wonder what we can do there. We got this bin up here, another bin up here, bins, more bins up here with 12 volt and USB. Got the, I think, 8-inch Sync 3 screen, another 12 volt USB. Not sure what these buttons do, but I think it's related to the camera. All-wheel drive. We have different modes here. Steering wheel controls. And then up here we also have overhead bin, which I've seen that there are aftermarket things to modify. Climate controls, lights. Maybe they don't come on without Power or there is no power. All right, so we're on the road. Had a little trouble with the sync system, but thanks to Gemini, who told me the way to do a soft reset, and it's working. Although I thought this was also a CarPlay Android Auto compatible head unit system, but I can't seem to get that working. Anyway, what do you think about the car?
I like that I can maneuver it in and out of traffic really easily. I can park it, back it up easily. It's not a whole dramatic thing. I like that it has like the parking assist and the mirrors, the air conditioning, that we could open this up right here and like the dogs can come in and out. We don't have to lift the dogs in and out all the time because they can kind of just jump up on their own. We could put like a little dog bed here.
Maybe.
Yes.
Maybe.
Negative. I like that we have that.
Well, it doesn't seem to be CarPlay Android Auto compatible. So.
I'm into that.
Okay.
I like that we can go through a normal car wash, a normal gas station, but it's a little newer. I like that you can stand up in the back.
So far.
It's the newest car we've ever owned.
Well, we don't own it yet. But yes.
We will ever own.
I doubt that's true. But continue.
I mean, I feel like those are all great reasons to like it. I mean, yes, Betty is so beautiful, and we have a kitchen and a bathroom and storage and the windows. I love the windows. I wish I could keep both of them.
Okay, so what don't you like about this van?